We've now finished the 5 plain rows after the 3 eyelet rows, and at long last it's time for the diagonal lace pattern. Start the first row with 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib. I think you're sensing a pattern by now. Yarn over and then knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to repeat yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 3. Yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 3. And we're going to repeat. When you reach the center of the row, slip the first marker, yarn over, knit the center stitch, slip the second marker, yarn over, and knit 2. Next we're going to knit 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, and we keep doing this till the end of the row. It's going to make the mirror image of what we did on the first half of the row, so that the lace holes will be pointing in the opposite direction. They'll be pointing out this way, and on this side they'll be pointing out that way. On the wrong side of this lace pattern, and on every wrong side row, we start out the same way with 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib, starting with a purl stitch, then yarn over and purl to the center. As you're working the lace pattern, if you find that you have a few extra stitches or too few stitches to complete all of the repeats of the lace pattern, please don't worry. Just knit plain if you're on the front side to the last 6 stitches, and then knit, yarn over, and work the last 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib. On row 3 of the diagonal lace pattern, this is on the right side, I've already done the first 6 stitches, 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib, and then 1 yarn over. Then you're going to knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now we're going to yarn over, knit 2 together, and knit 3. You'll see that this next yarn over is sort of at 2 o'clock up from the first hole. So we know that these holes are going to be fanning outward in the right direction. Yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And you'll do that till the center of the row. I've passed the center of the row. Now I'm going to knit until I get to that first yarn over, and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, 2, 3. This will make the holes go to the left. Knit 2 together, yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Knit 2 together, yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Continue to the end of the row and then work a wrong side row. Here's the beginning of row 5. I've done the first 5 stitches plus a yarn over, and then you're going to knit, then yarn over, knit 2 together, and knit 3. And continue to follow the pattern just as written until the electric fairy shawl is just as big as you want it to be. And then we're going to bind off all the stitches. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick up stitches and add the ribbed wings portion of the electric fairy shawl. To buy this pattern, click on the link below. To buy the entire kit, visit kariskits.com. You can also get a 20% discount code good on everything in the shop. See you next time.